All right, so first things first, we are going to do the whole entire perimeter, okay? Okay, I did an awful job of explaining that. What I mean by the whole perimeter is that if this is your home, or these are two homes, that's your property line right now. The perimeter, I'm talking about the perimeter is this right here, is that it's the property line to like the driveway or to the sidewalk and then up against the house or something. That's the perimeter. I don't know if I didn't explain it that well, so I thought I needed to clarify. Back to the video. You want to be throwing the grass into the middle of the yard. I'm never going to be shooting it into the sidewalk. I'm not going to be shooting grass into the parking lot. I'm going to be trying to contain all of that. And that's because of one, so that you don't have to blow for like 30, 45, 50 minutes grass clippings. And number two is that the grass clippings, unbeknownst to your grandpa, is that they're actually really good for the yard. Those grass clippings have a lot of nitrogen in them so that the grass can grow better. Take my word for it. Look at this lawn. This is great. But before you do the perimeter is that you need to know how to mow a straight stripe. This is extraordinarily important. I want everybody to listen here is that if you're not doing straight stripes, you need humility. When I'm mowing a straight stripe is that I ask the question, how do you drive a car? You're not looking over the side and looking at that, oh gosh, my wheel's getting close to the line. No, every time you drive, you're looking straight ahead. And that's the same thing whenever you're mowing. Step one, look straight ahead at the horizon. Number two, you don't need to push down all the way on these. This does not mean that it's going to go straight. Let them out loose and just feel for it. You will naturally go to the right or the left. It'll naturally guide you. One more tip is whenever you're doing the perimeter is that your mower is going to hang over the edge a little bit more than if you were mowing anything else. That is so that you don't have to go and then like 45 it with a trimmer. So we have Joey. Let's see if he can do it. He'll do it, and then we're just gonna go back and forth like that. How do you turn? You'll figure it out. All right. Well, he forgot to throttle up. It's all right. He is veering off. This is expected every single time someone gets. Come on, make Papa proud.
All right, what? Was super rough.
Yeah, it was pretty rough.
That was a lot harder than it looks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
I need you to line up. So you see how it's not lined up right there?
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to be with these caster wheels. Are going to be like lined up right over the top of this.
Oh, okay.
And then whenever you get that lined up, is again, I want you to look out in the distance and then find it and then start to go. Also, you didn't throttle up. So there's a lot more power that you had left in it too. So let's try it again.
Okay.
Veering off a little bit right there. Now, whenever I'm standing down here, is I'm waving at them and I'm looking at them, telling them, look me in the eyes, okay? As long as he's looking me in the eyes, is that he's going to do a really straight stripe, right? He's a little bit on the right side, but that's okay. Okay, what are your thoughts?
Anytime that I looked down for a second or I felt like I was looking like ahead at the ground, I felt like I was in less control. You have a focal point and you're focusing on that ahead, not even necessarily something on the ground, but something in the distance to keep you straight. That's when I felt like I was in the most control.
And it's important to stay straight.
But yeah, other than that, it's a lot more micro movements than you think that you'll need to make. It's not like major movements. I'm already starting to realize that. Light movements, not big anything.
But there's still movement that even when you're going straight is that like there's bumps and stuff inside there
which
that
are going to like make your hand move, which is going to make the mower move. So
yeah, you have to kind of have like an absorption, right?
Absolutely.
Yep. Okay, all right, now let's move on to the
tip of a very large iceberg.